Okay, boys and girls, I know I'm running a little late, but got a mystery for you. That is coming from the brake cylinder, or the wheel cylinder. You ready? Watch. Let me get my screwdriver again. That's water. Like, legitimately, that's water. That's not even brake fluid. I'm speechless. And if you've watched any of my videos, we know that's damn near impossible to make me speechless. But damn, I'm glad we're doing this. Wow, I'm amazed. Oh, and here we go. Hold on, wait. And go figure, I dropped it. That sounds like me. Okay, so here we go. These were the bolts that a very particular company shipped us to do the front part of the shackle. Okay, here's your rear shackle for the leaf spring. And your front. Okay, bolts through the frame. Comes in through here. So you can see the head, well, can you? Yeah, you can see the head of the bolt, all nice and shiny clean. So we get these, and they're about 2 inches, 2.5 inches too short. But that's what we were told was the right ones. They're not. So I couldn't really do anything past that yesterday because, well, I had to go to my second job. So, you know, whatever. It's not a major big deal. But what did the boss bring today? Bam! The right ones. So now, both sides are done completely. Locked in place and tightened, and only because I've been dying to see it, wheels are on, baby. At least for the moment. I gotta find the hubcaps or wheel pieces. I don't know what goes on this car. So, but here we go. It's on. So now we're gonna try and finish this, get these done today, and the drag link. Sorry, I'm just not feeling the best today. I think the hours are just truly getting to me. 12 and 14-hour days are just a bit much, and it's almost every day, including the weekends. But whatever. Sorry, I needed my 30 seconds to whine and bitch like a little whiner. But whatever, we're getting there. We still got to go through all of that yet to make sure everything's safe and sound and get this car absolutely running as best we possibly can. But okay, guys, here's your update for the moment. I'll try and show you more as I get this one out, and then I'll do the other one because we've got the bearings, like we said yesterday, the wheel cylinder, the hoses. So I'll get it done. I'm astonished. I've never seen that happen before, ever. But okay, guys, thank you, and we'll keep you in touch. See ya!